Hi guys, this is Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, thank you so much for all your love and support on my first video. I hope you guys will like this video too. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to do contour, how to apply blush and how to do your highlighter in just easy simple steps. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, before starting with the contour, I just want to tell you something that a contour and a bronzer are not the same thing. Both are very different things. So contour is the thing which will make your face look more chiseled and it will make your face look more slimmer. And the bronzer, it will give you more warmth on your face and it will give you more sun-kissed glowy effect. So it is up to you guys, whatever is comfortable for you, you guys can go with anything, contour or bronzer. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be going with the contour and for that I'll be taking is Makeup Revolution Contour Kit in the shade 02 which has 2 shades. I'll just show you guys. So this is how this palette looks and it has both the shades, the lighter one and the darker one, so it can go to all the skin types. Guys, I just want to give you knowledge on the placement of your contour. So guys, your contour should start from the starting of the ear and it should go in the middle. So it will be a middle of the eyes. It shouldn't exit before this and it shouldn't move to till the lip area. So it needs to start from the starting of the ear. So what I'll do is I'll mix with both the shades and we'll just start doing contouring. Just merge it into your hairline so it looks more natural and seamless. Guys, the shape of the contour will be in triangular motion, you guys can see. You guys can suck your cheek inside like this. And the hollows which you can see is the exact place of your contour. Guys, another thing is your contour should be in a tree kind of a form. So you have to make a tree on your face. So what we'll do is we'll go on the temples. Just lightly. And then we'll do on the cheeks and we'll drag it down till the jawline. So what it does guys, it will give your face more dimension and it will make your face look more sharp. Another thing is, if your nose is very flat and if you want to make it more snatched and slimmer, then what you can do is you guys can take a smaller brush, take the lighter shade and apply from the starting of the brows. Another side. Just drag it till the end of the nose. Just take a beauty blender and just dab it. Done with the contour, we'll move ahead with the blush. So I'll be taking this blush from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 02 Peach Pink. So this shade is very nice and it goes to medium to deeper skin tones and this is very good corally shade. What I'll do is I'll just take the stippling brush and take very less amount. Guys, the placement of your blush should be above your contour. So it should merge with the contour. There won't be prominent line or else it won't be look very nice. remaining amount on the brush will be on the apples of your cheeks. So you have to drag it backwards so it merges with the headline and there won't be any prominent line as such. So you guys can see how your blush has made your look very fresh and very natural. So once the blush is done, we are going with my favorite and absolute favorite part, which is the highlighter. Guys, the placement of the highlighter should be on your cheekbone. The area where you feel the bone, it is the exact area where you will apply your highlighter. And highlighter in the shade Pro Illuminate. This is how it looks. Sorry guys, it is dirty because I have used it very much. Guys, this highlighter is very big. You guys can see. This is very big and it goes on and on and on. So what I'll do is I'll just take the maximum amount of the highlighter, just dab the excess and will apply on the cheekbone area. Guys, now the placement of the highlighter should be into 2C area. The one C will be from your brow bone till your cheekbone and the another C will be your temples till your cheekbone. So we'll just go over there and run it the highlighter. This is the smaller C. This is the bigger C. So guys, what your highlighter does to your face is when you turn this way, this side of your face is more visible and more glowy in compared to the another side. Another trick that I want to tell is if you want your photographs to be more poppy and more glowy, then what you guys can do is you guys can highlight your T-zone, which is the temples, your forehead, the bridge of your nose, your cupid's bow, and your chin. This is the close-up look, guys. You guys can see how this side of my face is more glowy and lively and this side of my face is very flat. So what I'll do is I'll just do this side as well. So I'm done with another side and this is the final look. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. If you guys have any suggestion, please leave in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon so you will always be notified when a new video comes. See you until next time. Goodbye.